How to enable or disable presentation mode when the scanner is in the stand. The setting called presentation mode sets the scanner to use ambient light and scanner illumination to detect any barcodes placed in front of the scanning window. Once a barcode is presented to the scanner, the aimer and LEDs will turn on and the barcode will be read without having to press the trigger. Scanner models like the Xenon 1900G or Voyager 1450G can be set to presentation mode. By default, this setting will only work when the scanner sits in the stand. The scanners are equipped with an in-stand sensor that senses when the scanner is removed from the stand. The sensor sends a message to the scanner to switch off the presentation mode and enable the manual trigger mode, which will last until the scanner is placed back into the stand. This feature is called in-stand sensor mode and can be adjusted. As already mentioned, the default value is set to sensor on. To enable this feature, just scan the configuration bar codenamed sensor on TRGSSW1 or eventually send the command to the scanner. This configuration barcode can be found in Section 4 of the Xenon User Guide, Input/Output Settings, in-stand sensor mode. If the presentation mode is not wanted within the stand, scan Sensor Off. Streaming presentation mode can also be programmed normal, enhanced, or mobile phone for in-stand scanning, and a manual trigger mode normal, enhanced, or printer phone for out-of-stand scanning. For this configuration, the preferred streaming presentation mode needs to be scanned for in-house functionalities, then manual trigger mode needs to be scanned for out-of-stand functionalities. As a side note, corded granite scanners do not support this feature. The user guide can be downloaded from the Honeywell website. Go to Products, Barcode Scanner, Handheld Barcode Scanner, Xenon 1900 Area Imaging Scanner, Document, User Guide, Xenon 1900 User Guide. It is important to mention that the in-stand sensor feature just presented only applies to tethered quarter scanners like the Xenon 1900 and Voyager 1450 products, which can be used together with a stand and not to be confused with Bluetooth cordless models like a Xenon 1902G and Voyager 1452G scanner, which do not use a stand but a charging communication base. If using cordless scanners like a Xenon 1902G and Voyager 1452G, there is a related functionality which pertains the base or cradle, which is not the same as the stand. The BTPIB command is presentation in base, used for the Voyager 1452G and the Xenon 1902. If sending the command BTPIB1 to the scanner or reading the configuration barcode, the scanner will switch to presentation mode as soon as it is placed back in the base. This setting is disabled by default. The BTSIC command disables the ability to scan while seated in the charge and communication cradle, aka the base. This is by default enabled, BTS1C1.